What's up, guys? My name is Varun from the channel Programming with Varun. Today, we are going to learn some basic concepts in Java, and we are going to type the codings in Java NetBeans. This application, it is known as NetBeans, where you can code many of the projects. So mostly today, in this tutorial, I'm just going to provide you with a few features which are simple to understand, and simple codings. So first of all, what you have to do is just create a new project where you can do the coding. Like this is the package, this is the public class, and you'll be typing in the public static void. This is a public static void. So before doing that, you need to first create a package where you can type the coding. So what you have to do, click file and click new project. So this new project will open, and just click next. Here you need to give the application name, the project name. So I'm just going to give tutorial. So please mind, do not give any space between the words, because if you give the space, it will show invalid name. Like you see this tutorial, and I'm sorry, you can give space over here, but it's not give space in the file name. Okay, now we'll keep this tutorial and click finish. And you see our tutorial project is open. We have the source package, and we have file package, and we have this thing. Okay, this is the source. This is the main source where you have all the main things for the project. Like you have a package, public class, and public stack void. Without this, you can't give the coding anywhere. So what NetBeans does, it automatically provides everything like package, public class, public static void. You just need to double click on where you need to type, and you can type it over here. So you need to create a first file. So for doing that, right click, new JFrame form. You can't use space in form, so you need to, like if you want to put 3 words or 4 words, you just make it as 1 word. So today, first we are going to learn about the stop button. Okay, which will stop the program. We name it as stop, and click finish. You can also name it as exit or anything. And this is the palette where you have many of the swing controls, swing containers, swing menus. You'll have these things, and windows, swing filters. Okay, so this is the main place, of the palette, from where you need to take all the any item and any component and place it in this form. So this is the form. Like for running the program, let's put shift plus F6, and the program will run, and you will get it like this. So this is the form where you can where you will get everything, like whatever you place it. Okay, so first today we are going to learn about stop button. Okay, so search for the button in the swing controls. Here's the button. Drag it and place it, or you can just hold it and just press it, and you can place it wherever you want. So you need it will be written as J button 1. You need to change the name to stop. Okay, and click enter. So the main thing in Java that is NetBeans is, whichever component you place in the form should have a variable name, which is easy to remember. Like mostly Java keeps variable names like J button 1, J button 2, and so on. Java keeps it like this. So for your easiness, you can change it to whichever you want. So I'm not feeling comfortable with this, so I'm just going to change this JB. So if you're putting a button, you need to put as JB. If you're putting a text field where you need to enter text, you need to put JT. Okay, and something like that. Okay, and stop. And if you want to stop the program, so double click on it, you will get all these things. So as I told you, public class will be created, public class package, everything will get created, and you have the private void. So this is JB stop. This JB stop is the variable name, and the action perform, where you need to type the coding. Remember, you should never type in the first line. So the simple statement for a stop button is system dot exit, and it will be 0. So if you when Java is case sensitive. So even if you put this as small, see it will show an error over here. Okay, so and inside you put this as capital, this E as capital, it will show an error. So this is this is very case sensitive, and you need to put it properly. Okay, now this is the coding for stop button. Now you put shift plus F6 and see it done. Did you see? I'll show it again. Is it? The stop button will stop, exit the program. Or you can name this as exit also. Here you can change it as JB exit if you want. Okay. Now you can even place it in wherever you want. Like most of the windows will have the cross button, so you can also change this to cross. Okay. Then press F6, we'll enter and have these things. So it's similar to this stop. So thank you guys. So this is the coding for stop button. In the next few videos, I'll be making sure that you can understand more, even more better. Many of the like reset, submit, login, etc. Okay. Thank you all.